packed up, I'm ready to go. No. Lake. I'm fetching some water. Boom bap clap snap tent. Unpacking. Snap. Squirrel. There's a cat. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a lot of deer over there. Welcome to Double Lake Recreation Area.
Don't get me in the video.
We are in the video. I'm here with my brother, the other Jake Brooks. What? And we are here. And we're gonna be here for the next 2 days. It's like 62 degrees out. And we're just unpacking. I just saw so many animals and it's so exciting. Oh, I see them. And it's so exciting because I love animals. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Also, the squirrels are screaming because they saw a cat. My brother's like a camping expert. He's been a Boy Scout like all his life, so he's definitely carrying with all the supplies and knowledge of camping. He also makes videos too. You can follow his channel. Me in the green chair for today. Propane. The lantern. The grill. Whoa. Oh, that was so good. Oh, sorry. This is fun. Dinner preparations. On the menu, we have quesadillas. Yeah! I'm helping with the cooking. Cream and cheese quesadillas. Woo! Yeah. You are a culinary weapon. Yum. I've been promoted to head chef. This thing's so bright. Salt and happy Hanukkah. Forbidden slime. Look at it go. S'mores.
Oh no.
These are perfect. Got me the s'mores. I'm gonna try something ambitious, and if it works, I'm going to be the smartest person of all time. Dun, 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 dun. Getting ready for bed. It is 8:30. Headlamp lighting kind of fire. Good morning, campers. My hand warmer died in the middle of the night, but it's okay because I may be able to charge it up again if my portable charger still has battery. I have some tea. First sip. Yeah, probably. Ow. I didn't even get to it, it's just the cup.
Oh yeah, the cup is really, really hot.
Tasty. Morning. Campsite. So some lore from the last video. If you remember the little like bump I had on my finger, it's actually a spider bite. Or an ant bite. I'm not sure. But I know it's a bug bite because I put on Afterbite stuff and the swelling went down like a lot. So I'm gonna keep putting that on it. Thumbnail pictures. I put on boots and skiing socks because I was cold. going for a walk
On the bridge for today.
I'm really curious to know what's in this bowl. Yeah, it's a lot colder.
Sunny, but it's hot.
It is 56 and cloudy with the chance of rain.
Yeah, this is, oh well.
Oh well, but look at all the leaves.
I know, isn't it cool?
I'm on the tree. What? There's a storm coming, so we're going home. Anyways, thanks for watching. I love you all. Make sure you're subscribed with notification bell turned on so you can see my next videos. I'm going skiing next week. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Bartend banana.